Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Nar Trees podcast. Today, I will summarize and review the book. Bitcoin, the world's foremost cryptocurrency, has evolved from an obscure technology into a global phenomenon, captivating investors, technologists, and everyday individuals alike. The only Bitcoin investing book you'll ever need by Freeman Publications serves as an all-in-one guide tailored for those looking to enter the dynamic world of cryptocurrency investing, especially for beginners who want straightforward, jargon-free explanations. This book was specifically crafted as Bitcoin and the broader crypto ecosystem embark on a period of mainstream adoption and unprecedented transformation in finance. Freeman Publications breaks down everything a newcomer needs to know into easy-to-follow chapters, dispelling myths and clarifying the essential principles that underpin Bitcoin's value and utility. The book's approachable format demystifies topics ranging from blockchain technology, the origins of Bitcoin, wallets, security measures, and market cycles, to practical investment strategies tailored to various risk profiles. As the world increasingly shifts towards digital assets, this guide positions itself as an indispensable resource for those seeking both foundational knowledge and actionable advice. With market volatility and rapid innovation, arming oneself with accurate, up-to-date information is critical. The only Bitcoin investing book you'll ever need aims to be the companion that transforms curiosity into competence, helping readers make informed, confident decisions about their financial future in the age of cryptocurrencies. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, understanding Bitcoin, history and fundamentals. This topic introduces readers to the genesis and foundational concepts of Bitcoin. Freeman Publications walks beginners through the origins of Bitcoin, from its mysterious creator Satoshi Nakamoto to its initial purpose of creating a peer-to-peer, decentralized digital currency. The topic unpacks the principles behind blockchain technology, the distributed ledger that powers Bitcoin, and explains why this innovation is revolutionary in terms of transparency, security, and the removal of intermediaries in financial transactions. The reader learns about cryptographic hashing, mining, and the mechanisms that keep the Bitcoin network secure and functional. By providing historical context and explaining Bitcoin's scarcity through its hard-capped supply of 21 million coins, the book helps readers understand why Bitcoin is often likened to digital gold and why it commands significant value in the global marketplace. Secondly, wallets, security, and storage solutions. After grasping what Bitcoin is and how it works, the next pressing need for any participant in the market is a secure and reliable way to store and manage their crypto assets. Freeman Publications devotes significant attention to the various types of Bitcoin wallets, explaining the differences between hot wallets, connected to the internet, cold storage solutions, offline storage for enhanced security, and hardware wallets, physical devices that safeguard private keys. The reader is shown best practices for setup, choosing between custodial and non-custodial wallets, and how to protect one's investment from the ever-present threat of hacking and scams. The book highlights the irreversible nature of blockchain transactions, emphasizing that personal responsibility is paramount in safeguarding digital assets. Through illustrative examples and practical instructions, users learn how to avoid common pitfalls, use multi-signature wallets, and employ backup strategies, thus ensuring they remain in full control of their investments. Thirdly, market dynamics and investment strategies. Recognizing the importance of an informed approach to investing, this topic centers on the unique characteristics of Bitcoin markets and how beginners can navigate them. The book outlines the notorious volatility of Bitcoin, its cyclical price patterns, and the impact of external factors such as regulatory changes, macroeconomic trends, and market sentiment. Freeman Publications introduces foundational investment strategies such as dollar-cost averaging, holding, or hodling, and understanding technical analysis basics. The importance of diversification is discussed as a means to mitigate risk. The section also warns against emotionally driven decision-making, highlighting the prevalence of hype cycles and FOMO, fear of missing out, in the cryptocurrency landscape. By providing frameworks for long-term and short-term investing, and setting realistic expectations for returns versus risks, this section empowers readers to develop a prudent, systematic approach rather than relying on chance or speculation. Fourthly, legal, regulatory, and tax considerations. As Bitcoin gains mainstream traction, understanding the evolving legal and regulatory landscape becomes essential for any investor. Freeman Publications dedicates this part of the book to unpacking the often confusing world of crypto regulation and taxation. Readers are guided through the current status of Bitcoin across major jurisdictions, insights about KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering requirements, and the implications for personal privacy and identity. The book also addresses how to track and report gains on Bitcoin investments, what constitutes a taxable event, and practical advice on record-keeping for regulatory compliance. This section is particularly valuable for beginners who may be apprehensive about the legal complexities in crypto investing, giving them confidence and clarity about how to operate within the law and minimize future complications with tax authorities. Lastly, the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption. In its concluding chapters, the book turns to speculative yet critical issues: the long-term prospects of Bitcoin and the broader crypto ecosystem. Freeman Publications discusses how Bitcoin's role is evolving, from digital gold and a hedge against inflation to a potential medium of exchange for everyday transactions and borderless payments. The topic delves into challenges such as scalability, energy consumption debates, and competition from other cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Importantly, the book encourages readers to look beyond the day-to-day price swings and focus on the underlying trends of institutional adoption, technological improvements, and growing use cases that could propel Bitcoin further into the mainstream. Readers are encouraged to keep learning, adapt to new developments, and maintain a mindset of continuous education, since this is a rapidly changing industry with transformative potential. In conclusion, the only Bitcoin investing book you'll ever need stands as a comprehensive and approachable starting point for those wishing to venture into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investing. Unlike overly technical manuals or hype-driven guides, Freeman Publications crafts a clear and accessible path tailored for genuine beginners. Readers who have little to no prior experience in digital currencies will benefit most from its step-by-step explanations, actionable advice, and realistic perspectives on both risks and rewards. The book's value comes from simplifying intimidating concepts, providing practical security tips, and demystifying the regulatory landscape, issues that often discourage newcomers. If you are looking to take your first step into the world of Bitcoin with confidence, this book offers the foundational framework needed to avoid costly mistakes, understand critical market forces, and safeguard your investments. Its pragmatic tone and focus on core fundamentals ensure that you not only understand what you're investing in, but also why and how the system works the way it does. The reason to choose this book over others is clear. Its beginner-centric approach is both current and thorough, offering not just knowledge, but actionable strategies and peace of mind as you embark on your cryptocurrency journey. In a noisy marketplace full of speculative voices, the only Bitcoin investing book you'll ever need equips you with clarity and competence, helping you take responsible, informed steps towards financial empowerment in the digital age. If you would like to support Freeman Publications, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I've provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.